Welcome. In front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 9, and today I'll show you how you can insert a SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. They come in different shapes and sizes. There should be one provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you can just use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have that, you want to take off a cover if you have one on your phone. As you can see, I do, so off it goes. There we go. And the tray is located at the bottom of the phone. So right here where the pen is right now holding, literally like at the very edge of the phone. And once you press it in, the tray will come out just a little bit, and you can see you have space for two different SIM cards on either side of the tray. Now I will be occupying only one of them. There we go. So once the card is on the tray, make sure it's laying. Why is this bent the way it is? Disregard this band. So yeah, make sure that the card is laying flush on the tray. The tray should usually be straight, unlike this one. Anyway, from there, insert it back into your phone. And the card should start working right after you insert it. So there we go. It's prompting me to confirm my SIM PIN, so that's what I will do. There we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.